everyone. I've got some exciting news to share. The IT Lady has evolved and we're introducing Peppermint IT. Over the past 3 years, we've been on an incredible ride, experiencing remarkable growth and contributing significantly to the community. Thank you so much for your trust and support. We've run a hospital program lending iPads to sick patients. We've supported hundreds of over 50s to get connected, and we've trained more than 100 digital mentors who have impacted countless lives. In this new chapter of our journey, we're evolving IT Lady into a charity-based business to serve the community, and we're launching Peppermint IT, which will continue to serve our business and home customers. Peppermint IT will have a renewed emphasis on tech solutions infused with care, and it better aligns with our new vision and roadmap for 2024 and beyond. Thank you for being part of the IT Lady family, and we look forward to continuing to work together and share your success.